Hi, I'm Jack at Directable. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video to your slides and playlists. To start, go to Slides. Add a new slide from the upper right-hand corner. And then, on the left-hand toolbar, you will see options for videos. Here, we have no videos currently uploaded in our media, so I'm going to upload a new video. In this case, a video of monkeys in Thailand. After a quick upload, you can close the dialog box, and now you have this video sitting in your toolbar. If you click and drag this video, you can resize it to be any size that you would like. In the case where you have a border or other information on your slide, you may want this video to be a particular size. However, in this case, I have nothing else on this slide, so I want it to be the full slide. I want it to take up the whole screen. So I will click expand and it will automatically fit it to the maximum size. Next, you click save, but not after giving it a slide name. So I'm going to call this I Love Monkeys. And I'm going to add a tag for my slide. And in this case, my tag is going to be monkey. That way, when I'm searching for it later, I know that when I'm looking for my monkey-related slides and information, I can look at the monkey tag, or, in this case, the slide name also contains the word monkey, making it easy to find. Next, I will save. And now you can see the preview of your slide is loading, and you have your I Love Monkeys slide ready to go. Now that your slide is ready, go back to the main menu and go to Playlist. We're going to create a new playlist. This one's going to be called the Monkey Playlist. Here I'm going to add slides. And all I really want is my monkey slide. I can either check the box to select it, or I can drag it over manually and apply changes. Now that I have my slide, I'm going to save my changes, and we're done. Now you have a playlist ready to play on your screen that has a video.